Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you that how you can remove a user from your profile. So suppose multiple times whenever you come on any platform and you add a user, after some time they leave the organization, and then after you need to remove that user and you need to add a new user. So how you can do it? You need to go in settings module. For this, on your left hand side in the very bottom you will see settings module. Please click on this. Now please check, this is the list of your user. So suppose this Mr. Sanjeev Patel is no more in the sales team. He have left the organization. So I need to add a new user, and before that I need to remove the Sanjeev Patel. So how I can do it? You need to go on this three dot. Here is an option of delete. You need to click on delete and just confirm it. This particular user will get deleted. Now once you will remove this particular user, then after their access will be removed and they will not be able to access their TranZact profile until you will not add them again. I hope this particular video will be very much helpful to you while related to deleting the user. Have a good day ahead.